Amoxicillin, which is in the group of anti-infective drugs, is offered as 375 mg, 625 mg, and 1000 mg tablets. Amoxicillin is available in the following forms: tablet, powder for suspension, chewable tablet, extended release tablet. What is amoxicillin and what is it used for? Amoxicillin is used to treat a wide variety of bacterial infections. This medication is a penicillin-type antibiotic. It works by stopping the growth of bacteria. This antibiotic treats only bacterial infections. It will not work for viral infections. Using any antibiotic when it is not needed can cause it to not work for future infections. How to use amoxicillin? The dose of this medicine will be different for different patients. Follow your doctor's orders or the directions on the label. The amount of medicine that you take depends on the strength of the medicine. Also, the number of doses you take each day, the time allowed between doses, and the length of time you take the medicine depend on the medical problem for which you are using the medicine. Take this medication by mouth as directed by your doctor, within 1 hour of finishing a meal, usually once a day. The dosage is based on your medical condition and response to treatment. Do not crush or chew extended release tablets. Doing so can release all of the drug at once, increasing the risk of side effects. Also, do not split the tablets unless they have a score line and your doctor or pharmacist tells you to do so. Swallow the whole or split tablet without crushing or chewing. Drink plenty of fluids while using this medication unless your doctor tells you otherwise. For the best effect, take this antibiotic at evenly spaced times. To help you remember, take this medication at the same time every day. If you miss a dose of this medicine, take it as soon as possible. However, if it is almost time for your next dose, skip the missed dose and go back to your regular dosing schedule. Do not double doses. Things to know before using amoxicillin are as follows. Before taking amoxicillin, tell your doctor or pharmacist if you are allergic to it, or to penicillin or cephalosporin antibiotics, or if you have any other allergies. Before using this medication, tell your doctor or pharmacist your medical history, especially of kidney disease, a certain type of viral infection. Amoxicillin may cause live bacterial vaccines to not work as well. Do not have any immunizations vaccinations while using this medication unless your doctor tells you to. Before having surgery, tell your doctor or dentist about all the products you use. During pregnancy, this medication should be used only when clearly needed. Discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. Amoxicillin passes into breast milk. Consult your doctor before breastfeeding. Possible side effects that may occur with the use of amoxicillin include: remember that your doctor has prescribed this medication because he or she has judged that the benefit to you is greater than the risk of side effects. Many people using this medication do not have serious side effects. Use of this medication for prolonged or repeated periods may result in oral thrush or a new vaginal yeast infection. Contact your doctor if you notice white patches in your mouth, a change in vaginal discharge or other new symptoms. Tell your doctor right away if any of these rare but serious side effects occur. Dark urine, persistent nausea or vomiting, stomach abdominal pain, yellowing eyes or skin, easy bruising or bleeding, new worsening sore throat, new worsening fever. If this video was useful for you, Like the video and subscribe to the channel for support. Share your experiences and questions in the comment section. I wish you healthy days.